So I'm going to have to make a very short and small playlist of the bad roads in Switzerland when I find them. This is another little smile maker. Welcome back to Canton of Valais and the Rhone Valley still. Town in the valley floor is Sierre, and it is surrounded by some pretty good looking vineyards. If you ever come through the canton, you're driving that valley floor, so you will come past Sierre. The hills behind it are home to the Val d'Anniviers, quite a famous valley, and that has the ski resort of Grimentz up it. We're not going to go there though, we're going to go halfway up and then take a left up the Zinal Valley to the small village of Zinal, another ski resort. Obviously this time of year it's just hikers and people enjoying a beautiful summer in the mountains. 28k, so 35 minutes I reckon. I've never been, so I'm expecting twisties, great views, big smiles, something new. Come along, enjoy the ride. So, welcome to wine country in Switzerland. So these are the suburbs of Sierre as we come out of the town. Sierre is the local municipality's regional capital, so it's got everything you could need. It's a fairly big town for the valley. And it sits on the A9 highway, which, well, isn't quite complete, so you kind of come off it and on it quite a bit in this part of the valley. It's a long-term project to build this major highway, but still a work in progress. Just crossing the Rhone River now. Let the twisties begin. Got a fast boy behind me. Yeah. Oh, it's magic up here. I got waterfalls, got the sun, got the views. Amazing long valley. Oh, we've hit old school style mountain roads. Well, this is fantastic. Quite a lot of debris on the floor, got to watch out for that. Yeah, loose stone everywhere. Just coming off the side of this hill. Okay, these are great views, great roads. I mean the views, the views. I'm going to put in a downer on this one. This is a busy road, so it is a weekend and it is July, so what do you expect, I suppose. But there's a good chunk of traffic. But these roads, these views, oh. Something else. I think you'd have to get up nice and early to enjoy this one at its best. So unless you're a hooligan, which I ain't, there's only so many places to overtake. But one of those days where it's so much traffic, I don't quite see the point. Pushing to go faster to get stuck behind something slower. Know what I mean? whereas you can cruise along and enjoy the view, which is pretty damn good. Well, this is very, very Swiss. Very, very blocked off. Looks like they were having a market of some sort. Busy, busy, busy. Well, from this side, that village is stunning. So good. Smile making stuff all the way. Well, I'm not sure if I'm on the right route though. I suspect that diversion mucked me up a little. Let's see what we get. But I didn't see a sign saying Zinal anywhere else, so we keep going. Welcome to Grimentz, unexpected detour. So that detour brought me to Grimentz on the way to Zinal, so I thought I'd have a quick look at the village, and it's really cute. It's obviously a big ski resort. There's the gondola going up now. Really popular with families at the moment, lots of hiking. You can see the restaurants behind me, all open, good to go. There's a supermarket, so if you're looking for a stop off, this could be a good option. Yeah, well worth a view. Back out of Grimentz and off to Zinal for us. Little detour. Pretty town. Must be a nice little ski resort. So this would not be the normal route to Zinal. See what we get. It already looks good. Oh, it looks very good. we're going to get some great views all along this one. Well, twisties through the woods. Not so busy. Smiles all round. Switzerland consistently delivers, doesn't it? Back on the normal road. Fantastic. Oh, and this is very decent. Just heading towards the distant peaks. Lands unknown. Oh, back in heaven. Welcome to Zinal. What we'll do is we'll ride through it just to see if there's anything past it, and then I'll come back in and have a coffee, I think. Though it's not as big as Grimentz, this is another popular little ski resort. And just went past the lift station. Looks pretty decent, looked very modern. I don't know how big the ski area is, but I think it links in with Grimentz, so they become one big joined up ski area. It's got more of a village feel, much more than Grimentz. Grimentz had a bit more of a big ski resort thing going on. This, very nice. Well, the sign posted for another village in 1K. Let's have a look, shall we? End of the road by the looks of it. So, Zinal is basically the end of the road. There was a little campsite at the top there. Again, it's another great little spot. Hard to go wrong, pick any side valley. See where it takes you. Looks like it's a one street town. There's lots of residentials up on the hill and the church. Made it to Zinal. Found a little coffee spot. Yeah, calm, good, loving it. Sierre up. Oh man, that's a really lovely route. If it wasn't a Sunday, if it wasn't July, and if sun wasn't out as much, that would be an epic, I mean, all-time great mountain route. It was just busy, so you get what you get, but all the same, smiles are out. The views, absolutely fantastic, and I got some moments where I had the road to myself, so happy. Got detoured at that one town up to Grimentz, actually added bonus, got to see Grimentz. It is what I expected, it's a big ski resort, so it has a big ski resort feel, lots of hotels, cafes, sports shops. It was busy with walkers, but well worth a stop as a co-op there and stuff like that. So nice little pit stop. And then the route through the forest on the detour to join the main route to Zinal was really lovely. And then the main route up to Zinal, oh man, that is a bucket list route as well. So I think if the route had been clear, without the detour and with a little less traffic, that would go down as a great, absolute great. Zinal is, yeah, everything you could want of a little Swiss mountain village. So well worth a visit. It's got a campsite at the top here as well, so added bonus to that. So all in all, it's a big thumbs up on this one. I would do it again. I hope you think what I'm doing is good. If you do, hit the like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Plenty more to come, so stay tuned. See you on the next one. Cheers.